So we received this gift from Google after the last examination. My husband wrote on Google Cloud Data Engineering. Although we already know what is inside, but let's unbox it together. We're expecting a set of tumbler, but want to do this together with you. Okay, let's have it. So in here, we are supposed to have a set of tumbler sets in here. So, well, let me tell you one just first. This gift is not for me. This gift is for my husband because he recently took a Google Cloud Data Engineer certification or examination with Google, and then he received this as a gift. So let's unbox it. Okay. So let's do this. Where do I start from? Okay, yeah, getting it right. Wow, so this goes. This is just an invoice. It's beautiful. So, this is it. Yeah, so I love it. Oh. So this is a flat. It's quite big. Yeah, so Google, I'm using my front camera, so Google Cloud certified data engineer. Okay, so here is one, and we have two tumblers. Same thing, Google Cloud certified data engineer. Can you see it? So same thing for the both. Okay. So this is good actually. You can put it in a straw here if you want, and if you don't want, it's good. Perfect for your coffee, for water, whichever one. Okay, this is beautiful. So currently we are in Nigeria, and this actually took about let's say 3 months for we to receive it here in Nigeria. Probably was done with sea shipping or something. So it took about 3 months for you to get to Nigeria. It might take a shorter time depending on when the ship is leaving. That I presume. But when we were somewhere else, not in Nigeria, I think when we were in Italy, it took about 1 month or less for you to receive it. So if you're writing any Google Cloud certified, Google Cloud examination or any Google examination, maybe they do not Google Cloud, and you're expecting a gift like this from them, so it's going to take a longer time if you're expecting it from Nigeria or any other part of Africa. But if you're anywhere else in the world, Europe or US, it's of course going to take a shorter time. The first one he wrote, I think he got a bag. Yeah, he got a bag, some stickers, and then a mug. I still have it. I think so. I can't remember, but there was a bag in there.